here it is asking like you are a teacher, student, personal, non-profit, large company or small business. I'll select personal if I'm an individual, or if you are a business owner you can select small business. Okay, so if you want to try Canva Pro, you can try free for 30 days, and after that you will be charged some amount. So I'll select maybe later. And if you have any team you can invite here, like for example Virender, this is my name at rate companyname.com. Okay, so you can select up to 5 people and you can send invitations. Okay, so I'll skip this now. Fine, now I want to create a Facebook post. So we'll see like how to create a Facebook post. So we'll start with Facebook post now. Once you select the post, so here is a tutorial guys, Canva tutorial. You can skip this, anyway I'm teaching you now. So first thing you have to give a name to it. So digital marketing. Okay, so I have given the name. Now you can select the templates which is readily available in Canva. You can select any template here. So I'll just go with this template now, Spring Flash Sale. Okay, so you can edit anything here. If you want to drag somewhat closer to this, you can drag this thing, or else you can stay as it is. And if you want to edit this, you can edit, like I want to tell digital marketing. Okay, so if you want to edit these things as well, you can edit this. So I can give a name of my company name, Mind Busy Cyber Monday Sale. Okay, so you can edit anything here. If you want to change the font of this text, you can simply select any font you wish. So there are a number of templates available, font templates. You can choose any one. And also if you want to increase the size, you can increase the size as well. Okay, and see, I'm fine with this 18, so I kept 18 as it is. And if you want to edit this bottom also, you can edit. Hi, welcome to graphic tutorial. Okay, and if you want to add some space between these letters, you can simply select spacing, and you can select C. You can select letter sizing and spacing as well. Okay, if you want to give difference between line height, you can do it as well. So this is the line height, you can adjust as well. And if you want to add something to this, like elements, like for example you can go to elements. See, this is the elements which you can add. So if you want to add this butterfly, you can simply add this butterfly here. Okay, and if you want to position this butterfly backside of this text, you can do that, position, and click on backward. Okay, fine. So now it went to backward. Okay, and if you want to remove this also, you can remove that. You simply delete. Okay, so it will be deleted. And if you want to add any icons, like if you want to add any arrow, you can simply type arrow. So there are already readily available arrows available. You can make use of it, and you can reduce this size and you can increase this size. So once you increase the size, you can point like here. So you can do anything. If you want to delete, again you can delete this thing. And if you want to add any type sort of elements, you can add it here. For example, if you want to add books, you can add books here. So there are a number of free books available, free elements available, sorry, and you can drag it here and you can place it anywhere in the image. Okay, so you can reduce this size and you can place it here as well. Okay, so like that you can create a beautiful graphics and you can pick this one as well. Okay, and if you want to go backside of this text, you can simply select here, position, backward. See, it went backward. Okay, so you can design a beautiful graphics like this. Okay, and now you want to upload something to this image which is not there in this text, elements, photos or templates. So simply you select uploads and upload an image. Okay, and you can simply upload this free digital marketing. Okay, so this is the image which I have uploaded recently. And you can select like this. See, the image has been added, so you can place it anywhere. Okay, this is how you can create the graphics, guys. So if you want to save this image, you can simply click on download button here, and once it's done, you can simply select the format which you want: JPG, PDF, print, PNG. You can select one and you can simply click on download. But before that, we'll see how to change a background of an image. So see, here you get all the colors, or else you can go to background and you can simply select these colors. So if you want to change any background, you can change it. If you want to add these backgrounds also, you can add. Okay, see how backgrounds are changing. And once it's done, and you can simply click on this arrow button and download. Once it's done, so it will says like preparing for download. Once it's done, it will get downloaded automatically. Okay, so this is how the image looks. Okay, this is how you can create graphics using canva.com. Now we'll see how to create graphics using Trello.com. Okay, I'll simply type Trello here, and please open Trello and create a free account. Okay, once you click on a create free account, so it will ask you to sign up with Google. So you simply click on Google. So it is asking me to agree the terms and conditions. Once it's done, you click on Google. So again, I'll select my Gmail account which is available. So once it's done, so it will take you to the next page. What are you using Trello for? Social media, marketing and advertisement, small business, design, human resources, education, non-profit or charity, personal use. So I'll select social media. Okay, I'll click on let's start. So you can select any type of template here. So this is video full HD, this is Facebook post, this is Instagram video story, it is Instagram post, Instagram video story, Facebook ad. So you can simply type it here what format you want. I'll type it like ad, so it will show me a Facebook ad. If you want to create any Facebook ad, you can create a Facebook ad template here. In a similar way, you can create a Facebook ad in Trello as well. So at the end of this video, I'll show you how to create a logo using canva.com. So logo is very important to your business, right? You can create a beautiful logo using Canva. So it is asking me to confirm your complete registration. I'll skip this step as of now. And see, so I'll select this post. Okay, and basically I'm a digital marketer, so I want to advertise as a digital marketing person. So I'll edit this image now. Okay, so you can simply select the text here. So I'll give a name, find busy services private limited. Okay, and back to school. So here I'll give an option called digital marketing. Digital marketing course. So if you want to extend this text, you can simply drag this thing. So once it's done, you can place anywhere. Okay, after this, if I want to add this special, and I'll make it as free. Okay, digital marketing course for free. Okay, and six week training online course. Okay, now simply I'll save this thing and I'll make a use of Facebook ad. So when creating a Facebook ad, it asks you to put an image or insert an image. So I'll use this image to advertise my business. Okay, so if you want to change this image also, you can change the image, or if you want to make sure like something, if you want to drag like this, you can drag this thing. Anything you can use, uh, anything you can do using Trello.com. So it's very easy guys, it's not very tough. And see, you can add, if you want to change the image, you can change the image as well. So here you can change the image, and if you want to add any filters to this image, so you can add filters as well. So it depends upon your requirement guys, you can add any filter. So and if you can change the background as well. So these all are costly because it will be available in pro features. So it is asking me to try 7 days pro for free. So if you upgrade to pro, then you can definitely make use of it. And same here, you can use any objects to place. So this is a free objects, so icons, illustrations, everything will be available with this Crello. Basically I love Crello using because it is very smooth and very easy, and there are a number of templates which is readily available. And if you want to add this thing, you can simply add it here, and you reduce the size. And if you want to add text on this, you simply select on text and select subheading. I can select 30 days of work. Okay, and I'll just simply drag this and I'll make it here. And if you want to change color of the font, you can change the color of the font to any color you wish. And if you want to change the font also, you can change the font to open sans, so anything you wish. Okay, so the font has been changed. Once it done, the similar process guys, you need to just simply, and before downloading the image, you have a categories as well. So you can choose the categories whatever you want. Related that, you will get the images. For example, if I select technology, I'll get technology related images. So it's very simple, just edit and download it. So once it's done, click on download. So it is asking me what type of file you need to download: JPEG, PNG, transparent, PDF standard. So I'll select JPG and I'll download it. So once preparing is done, the image will be automatically downloaded. Oh, it is asking me something went wrong. See guys, automatically downloaded. You can view the image like how it is. So this is what we have created using Crello.com, and I'll close it. And we'll come to the last part. Like I told you how to, I'll tell you like how to create a logo using canva.com. So simply you type here logo. So the logo format will be, and click on blank. On the left hand side you will find